Here are 5 very important aerosol cans. Over the past couple months, we've been working on developing and launching a new Performance Series color. We started with about 15 perspective colors. We've whittled it down to this final 5. So I need your help. We're going to show you each color today, and then you guys let us know which one you think should go to a full production color next week. Because next week's video, we're doing another ultra high gloss car, and the color that you guys pick is the one you're gonna see full scale on the video. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Gabe's back better than ever, so let's start. We've got 5 different colors here. The first one is Sunflash. This is a bright, rich orange with like a blue, purple, pink metallic flare. This one is Galactic Walnut, a deep, rich brown with like some stuff going on. Really exciting. This one is Violet Sapphire. This one's like a very saturated purple with some blue metallic highlights. Then we have Shadow Glade, which is a really rich green that has other things going on. Very descriptive. And then the final one is Gabe's personal favorite, Flamingo Flash, which is for all of our female dippers out there and all the dippers that have been asking for more pink colors. It's a rich, bright pink with like a contrasting blue-green metallic effect. So all of them are very metallic. Most of them have some color shifting properties to them. They're all gonna look incredible. So right now, Gabe and I are gonna get to work. We're gonna spray each one of these out on a speed shape. We're gonna coat all of them with ultra high gloss so you get to see them in all their glory. And then I'm gonna show them to you. And you guys tell us which one should go to full production and on the Mustang next week. Did we cover everything?
I hope so.
Okay, we're gonna get started. See you guys in a minute. All right, guys, we've got all the samples sprayed and they are ready for your review. Now remember, these are all Performance Series colors, which really means 2 things. All of our Performance Series line are a little bit less wild, a little less extreme than some of the other color combos that we've done. They're more for people who want a custom or unique color with more of an OEM or factory look, if that makes sense. They're a little bit smoother, a little bit more refined. And second, they are a lot easier and a lot more cost effective to spray than something like a solid base coat and then a pearl in a mid or a top coat. If you're looking for a color shifting or metallic finish at a lower budget with a lower skill level, Performance Series colors are perfect. Now, I'm going to show them to you. You know what to do. Take a really good look at each one. Comment below and let me know which one is your favorite. We may even have a thread down there where you can vote officially, because the one that wins is going full scale on the Mustang next week in ultra high gloss. Now, if you want to change the color of your own car, you know what to do. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. A ton of kits, a ton of colors. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Gabe and I love doing stuff like this. I'll see you on the next one.